Well, hi there guys, Mark here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Engwe L20 SE electric bike. Stay tuned and I'll give you my thoughts on it. In the usual way, we'll just run through all the specifications first of all, go for a little ride down some light tracks and trails, up a few hills, down towards Poole Harbour on some cycleways there, and then we'll finish off with the final thoughts at the end. So currently the price on these on the website is a very good value, £799, and I will put the link in the description for you. It's a step-through design. And it's really good also that it's folds there and folds there. I'll show you that in a minute. It came very well boxed, came with all the tools, charger, all very easy to put together. Just put the front wheel in, so bolt the handlebars on, and a nut and bolt check. Took me about an hour in actual fact, so all good there. So this comes with a very quiet running 250 watt rear hub motor with 38 Newton meters. Comes limited to 15.5 miles an hour, can be de-restricted in the menu if needs be. Has a 36 volt 15.6 amp hour battery, which is removable and lockable with a key. I'll show you that in a minute. Not too heavy, this one. It comes in at 31 kilograms, a bit lighter than the ones I've reviewed of late. So lots of features on this bike. As with most Engwes, comes with a very comfortable seat, which has a suspension seat post here. So the bike is just a little bit of suspension on the front here, no rear suspension, but because you've got a comfortable seat with a nice bit of shock absorber there, the tyres give you a nice comfortable ride as well. The bike is really nice. It rides very well and smoothly. So for folding, you sort of just lift up this little catch here, pull that down. The bars then fold all the way back, and then you've also got the mechanism down there in the same way, which splits the bike, and you can fold it there. Engwe quote 70 miles, but to be honest, in reality, from my experience, you're going to get between 30 and 40 miles range from that battery, depending on what sort of power levels you use, which is still very good. So just standing back, it's kind of a city sort of style commuter e-bike, but still capable of light tracks and trails. So to remove the battery, there's a little catch under the seat here, so you lift up the seat, push the key in. It's a bit fiddly with one hand. Turn the key to the unlock position, pull there, and the battery will simply just lift straight out. Comes with 7-speed indexed Shimano gears, which work faultlessly straight out the box. As I said, you've got these 20 by 3 inch sort of fat tyres that give a very good ride. Front suspension with compression and lockout if you needed to. So the SE version comes with this really nice to look at screen with all your speedo, battery, your assist levels here. 4-3, you've got 5 levels of assist, 1 being the least, 5 being the most. All your trips and everything like that, so that's really nice to look at, that little screen there. It does have a half twist throttle on it. You can enable or disable that in the menu, up to you as well. Mechanical disc brakes, which work very smoothly. Nice little bell. Also comes with front and rear lights, which is good. great lights as well, very decent rear lights, you can be seen at night. Now it does come also with this sort of metal cargo basket, very easy to put on with just these 4 bolts here. You can either fit it here on the back, or using the plate there, fit that on the front there, or you could not have it at all and just say fit like a, you know, like a pannier bag there or something, up to you. So it's kind of a middle-sized bike, really, one size fits all. The seat does go down another couple of inches. They quote about sort of 5'2" to well over 6 foot. So but just take a quick look at me on the bike, and as a reference, I'm 5'7" tall with a 30-inch inside leg, so you can compare that for yourself then. So there you go guys, let's do the test ride. Okay, let's try this out, Engwe L20. So turn the key there, powers it up, nice and easy to step through. To turn on, simply hold here for a couple of seconds, powers up the lovely little display. Defaults to assist level 0, we'll just start off in power assist level 3, and away we go. So the power comes in quite quickly, cut the turn to the pedal, and very easily up to about 14-15 mile an hour, no problem at all. So what impresses me about this bike initially is, even though it's not full suspension and just basic suspension up front, it rides really smoothly. I mean, this is quite a bumpy little track down here, but it's very smooth running. All the drivetrain super smooth. The gears are all indexed beautifully out the box. Rear hub motor out the back there is very quiet. Very comfortable seat with the suspension seat post. You know, you can literally ride this like this for a couple of hours, no problem whatsoever. Up to assist level 4, that extra bit of power, and 5 is a nice bit of power there, but I find for the most part having it in level 3 gives a nice sort of blend between power and range. We'll try this up a hill shortly to see how it takes that, but just for general riding along like this would make a very nice sort of city commuting bike. Do everything really. Right, brakes have got tons of bite, very smooth, even though they're mechanical, work very well. Comes with lights, so yeah, really nice, just gently riding along like this. Assist level 4 takes you up to about 15-16 miles an hour. I particularly like this colour screen here, it's really nice. I can see my speed, trip and all that sort of stuff very easily. So there you are guys, first impression so far of the Engwe L20. Very impressive, great value for money. Absolutely no shakes, rattles or squeaks down this bumpy track, so brilliant. Right, we're just going to take it up this hill now. It's about a 1 in 5, 20% wing, power assist level 3. Let's try this out. So cut the turn to the pedals, here comes that lovely power. Currently in 4th gear of 7, and straight away it's whizzing me up this hill. I'm having to put a little bit of power through the pedals for my legs, but all good. Into assist level 4 now. Yeah, that's very impressive indeed. Into 6th gear. So look, I'm going up this hill now with no effort at all at 15 miles an hour, and that's in assist level 4. So as you can see guys, plenty of hill climbing ability from the Engwe, so very impressive. Okay, so we're just down here at Poole Harbour on the nice cycleway. Got the Engwe in assist level 3, and let's see how it rides. I do like these indexed gears, they work really well. So nicely up to about 14-15 miles an hour. Very, very smooth running down here. You can barely hear the motor out the back. Love the riding position on this. These bars are nice width. The little wheels give lots of manoeuvrability. Really is a dream to ride this bike. I've done 13 miles this morning, just gently in about an hour, and I could happily ride this for another hour and put another 15 miles on this. It's that comfortable and nice to ride. Just put it up to level 4. There's plenty of power coming in there. It really is quite an impressive performer, this bike. Brakes are bedding in nicely now, so that's all good. It's got really good hill climbing ability, just flies up the hills. The 250 watt motor definitely isn't lacking. It's a very upright position. It's not really any lean at all, so you're sitting pretty much bolt upright on it. Lots of storage capability. You've got the rack out the back, so you can carry lots of stuff on this. Convenient folding design, step-through design, so that's lovely. But yeah, the tyres are rolling well, nice and quiet. The whole riding experience is very quiet and smooth, so that's great. Anyway, we just wrap it up down here and have a little look round again. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that little review on the Engwe L20 SE. A very impressive e-bike, especially for the money, shade under £800. I think it's great value. So just working around the bike again, particularly like this colour display, loads of information there. Nice comfortable grips, decent smooth mechanical brakes. Obviously it's folding design, bars fold down, bike folds there, pedals are folding as well. Comes with lights, which is nice as well. Mud guards. These tyres roll really well. They give a nice ride, but not too, obviously not 4 inches. The three's nice compromise really. All the wheels look pretty decent on it. Around about a 35-mile range, I would say. If you're going to be using all the power, you get a lot more obviously if you're just using assist level 1. Comes with this cargo rack, which you could put up on the front there if you wanted to. Exceptionally comfortable seat with the suspension there. Suits a wide range of rider height, from about sort of 5'2" up to 6 foot. Battery is removable and lockable. There's a key to turn the bike on. There's all your controller down there. All in all, a very nice to ride city e-bike at a very good price. So guys, if you could just post your comments down below, let me know what you think about these, and don't forget to give me a like, share and subscribe as always, and I'll catch you again in a week or so for another review. Ride safe guys, all the best, and bye for now.